Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon wherever you are. This is Ed's Dance and Food. Muli, our channel is about health and well-being. So we need to exercise, we need to dance. So you will see a lot of dance in my channel. And of course, lagi tayong healthy. We need to check our food to be healthy also. So in this video, meron tayong susundan ng mga dance steps. But for the reasons of not being to be copyrighted, magkakaroon tayo ng discussion while we are doing the steps. So you can dance along, you can follow along, at very simple naman ang mga step, to the side and up, to the side and up. Okay. Okay, so as a working mom, I am also that busy with all my work and all my responsibilities as a mom. But you need to set aside a special time for yourself wherein you can relax, you can do exercises, and we train our body. So, one of the training that we need is to be flexible, coordination, and enjoy with music. So we have friends who are with us. There are accountability. They will be contacting you and trying to reach out to you, calling on you if you will be joining the week's Tabatha Fitness and Dance exercise. So I am fortunate because the gym is near our place, so it's very easy to just grab sneakers or rubber shoes to exercise. Okay.
Ito ka. Para saan mo yun? Punta na. Punta.
Oh, let's go! Let's go!
Now we go to the cool down part and stretching and cool down part. Try to move along. Pag hindi pa kaya, kahit paunti-unti lang. Makikita nyo po dyan, beginner pa lang ang inyong lola. So, lahat sila ay mga mabibilis ng kumilos. But, I try to cope and sumabay sa kanila. So, very important yung sasabay po tayo sa ating mga kasamahan and enjoy your workout. Okay? ano-ano ang benepisyo ng ating pag-stretch o pagpapagalaw ng ating mga katawan. Number one, nagiging flexible, lumuluwag ang muscles at joints natin. Hindi kaagad tayo napipilayan. Number two, iwas sa sakit ng katawan. Nakaka-relax yung ating mga matitigas na mga buto at iiwasan ang mga pangangalay. Number three, good posture. So if we are doing like this, ginagalaw natin ang buong katawan natin, we can stand straight, nakakatayo tayo ng mas diretso, at maganda ang ating overall na pagtatayo or pag-upo or paglakad. Number 4, better sleep. Nakakatulog tayo ng mas mahimbing, mas nakaka-relax ang katawan, mas mabilis makatulog at mas mahimbing. Hindi pa hinto-hinto ang ating pagtulog. So ayan, nakaka-enjoy. Mas maganda ang daloy ng dugo sa katawan at mas mabilis makarelax sa mga pagod na nararamdaman. Mas ganado ka rin kumilos kapag ikaw ay mayroong mga exercise na stretching. One day. When we do exercise, we try to find other exercises too.
Grounding! May energy at positive ion ang dagat. Kaya maglakad ng barefoot. Makukuha mo yung positive energy dito, okay? So this is in Aurora Province. Let's go!
Okay guys, all our friends and subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that we remain healthy. We like to prolong for longevity, for prolonged life. We need to move our body and stay hydrated, stay healthy, have positive vibes, good vibes, always happy, and less stress. God bless everyone, and thank you for watching Ed's Dance and Food, where you can find lots of exercises and lots of the food to eat, especially the healthy ones. Bye and see you. God bless.